The date is the 23rd of May 2025. The time is 3:19 p.m. and I've just prepared a video to put on my USB memory stick to send to the news media, along with, it's about 7 gigabytes now, to prove that I am Jehovah God Almighty and that Joshua is my son, who is Jesus Christ in the flesh. And I've just, well, in that direction, on the 18th of August, sorry, 18th of June 2024 at 2:25 a.m. there was like a supernatural light in the sky, like a cloud, and it was really black. I've just prepared that video and I've just come outside. Yeah, my video just the camera got turned off. I don't know whether it's recorded, but there was an rocket attack on Israel, which is exactly what I'm gonna do on spiritual Israel when I send my my USB memory stick to many news agencies in the UK and USA. But up here there's like supernatural clouds again, especially over here, and that one's amazing up there. Look at that. What is that about? Let me just stand on the wall so I can have a look round. Here we go. Look at that over the Birchwood Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witnesses. And then there's a funny trail there. That's that one up there, which is the sun's behind it. And then you've got a funny trail across there, look. And that's just above number 13, unlucky for some. And my ex-wife Samantha, who is the daughter of Zion, mentioned in Jeremiah 6 verse 1, her birthday's on the 13th of May. And on the 14th of May, this year was Israel's 77th anniversary of becoming a nation. So that proves Samantha is the daughter of Zion, because her birthday is one day before the birth of Israel in 1948. And that generation is now 77 years old. Jesus said this generation will not pass away until all these things occur, and it's talking about the generation of 1948. So all this overlapping generation crap that the Watchtower's come up with, no. In Psalms chapter 90, I think it is, it talks about a generation is 70 to 80 years. So the fact that Watchtower are going down this year proves that the 77th anniversary of Israel becoming a nation falls within the 70 and 80 years, right in the middle. So there you go. Now this is a bit weird behind me as well, look. Zoom in. What's that about? And its street goes up there. Oh, it's all weird. That's a bit strange as well. Someone bombing on there. Oh, he's going fast on an electric bike, by the looks of it. Yeah, I've had strange clouds. I've got some really good pictures of really weird supernatural clouds again. Anyway, I'm going to upload some videos now to YouTube. Bye for now.